I would say it was just really important for us to be able to provide more transparency and have greater control of our assets. So we brought management in-house in 2021, and that would have been nearly impossible to do at our size if we were scattered across the country.
And tell us a little bit more about Lone Star and what you guys do and how you guys earn great returns for your investors.
So at Lone Star Capital, hence the name, we are only in Texas at the moment. The majority of our portfolio is in Houston, which is where we've been focused for the majority of the firm's lifespan so far. And then now we have recently expanded to Dallas and San Antonio. And so we're very intentional about which markets that we're in, not only how we pick them, but also just staying in those markets and being very focused. That's one of the key principles of our investment strategy, because we've seen more and more over the years how much this has benefited us to be very focused in particular markets. For example, we have plenty of situations in Houston where we own the same properties right next door to each other, or there is a smaller multifamily building that we wouldn't normally buy, but because it was right next door, it shared a fence with our existing property, it made sense. And it also, we were able to, they reached out directly to us to sell. They didn't actually market the deal, which is pretty rare these days to actually find an not marketed opportunity. So from the acquisition side, it's really helpful to be focused geographically, having a good reputation in those markets for actually being able to transact. But then also from a management perspective, we brought in-house management in 2021, which was pretty early on in our growth, but I would say it was just really important for us to be able to provide more transparency and have greater control of our assets. So we brought management in-house in 2021, and that would have been nearly impossible to do at our size if we were scattered across the country. So that's another thing that we do. And then aside from that, we are just constantly looking how to improve the situation with our properties. So whether that be, we've been implementing some tax exemption strategies and partnering with the local housing authorities. We've also done, this is a recent fun thing that we're doing, is bulk Wi-Fi. So we're actually able to provide Wi-Fi for a similar or cheaper price to our residents and make a decent profit on it at the same time. So we're just always looking to implement little things like that increase the bottom line.